this video is literally not gonna be a lot of talking. It's all about the acting. You guys wanted it, and I did also say I'm gonna do a red lip, another Valentine's look that's got including a red lip, because I just feel like it's kind of the theme. So I posted a picture of India. I'm gonna put the picture right here on the community on YouTube, and I said, guys, thumbs up if you want me to do this look. And the look is just so beautiful, and you guys wanted it, so I'm giving it to you. Let's get into the video. So I've already done my brows, guys, and I'm going to color correct, but just to remind you that I've already done my skincare routine. So here, going in with my full coverage foundation. On India's look that she wore, she had a full coverage foundation. So this is my trusty foundation that I love, and it's such a beautiful coverage too. So now we'll be moving on to blusher. I'm using an orangey corally tone blusher because it looked like she's got some orangey tone blusher on her cheeks. The reason why I'm not speaking so much, because I just want you to see how this looks comes out and that. But I also copied the way her brows were done. Obviously it's not exactly the same, but it's somewhat close. I even penciled my brows, guys, like shocker, but you know, it looks good. So on my lid, I am using my bronzer to just put on all over my lid, because her eyeshadow is pretty much simple. It's like a brownish smoky eye. It's not too harsh, and it's got a bit of gold sparkle, like gold shimmery shade, but it's got a bit of orange on it too. So I'm just adding an orangey corally eyeshadow also. You can barely see it, but that's it. So right now I'm just putting the gold eyeshadow, but barely touching my lid. I just want that shimmeriness on it. Moving to eyeliner. On her look, she has got a bold, beautiful black liner, winged liner, and it's quite elongated. She's got those cat eye looking eyes anyway, so that complements her eyes. So I'm trying to do the same. So I kind of wanted to add a bit of depth in the creases of my eyes, and because I just felt like it was a little bit bland, and so I just added a darker brown just to give it a little bit more dimension. I'm sorry guys, I thought I recorded this part but I didn't, so I went in with the blackest black eyeliner from Kiko on my waterline, and right now I'm just smudging it because I can see she's got that and her waterline, and she smudged it a little bit but not too much. It's just not something I usually do, so because I just don't think it complements my eyes, but it still looks good. Then now I'm going to put some mascara and lashes, and she looked like she's got some nice winged out wispy lashes, and these are my favorite from Shein Glam. Shein Glam, don't sleep on it guys, it's good. So ding 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 ding, we're back. We're going to put this beautiful bright red lipstick. It's actually a Zimbabwean owned brand, and I'm glad that I'm representing my country also. I'll put the links of everything that I've used below. It's pretty much similar things that I've used, but I lined my lips with a purple-ish lip liner, and and then I put the liquid lips matte lipstick, and I put a little bit of highlighter because I can see there's a little shimmer going on her cheeks as well. So yeah, that's the red lipstick. It wasn't so pow, it was also defined like I did mine. So I had to put on my synthetic wig again because that's the Jettis black hair that I own, and on the picture, I'll put the picture right next to it, was more like straight and curved at the bottom, and so I didn't want to straighten it because I kind of like this hair curly, so I kind of just pushed it back. And she had like silver earrings, so I just took my silver dangly earrings and put it on, and here is the look guys. I hope you enjoyed it.